This isn't just a car review. It's an intimate encounter with an apex predator. Let's dive in. Look at the car. Our first glimpse of this M2 is like spotting a panther in the night. Look at this black sapphire metallic paint. Now, under that bonnet is the S58. Let me show you. So this is the same engine that you find in the M3 and the M4. It is a very powerful engine. So it has about 338 kilowatts, 550 newton meters of torque, and all of it goes to the rear wheels. The eyes are just as captivating. The adaptive LED pierced the darkness with a brilliant focused beam, much like a predator locking onto its prey. The M2 doesn't just look at you, it sees into your 5-pot soul. Psych. See, stepping into the interior of the M2, you immediately enter into a realm where luxury and performance intertwine in a beautiful dance. The all-black interior is a canvas painted with passion, precision, and a clear nod to the M heritage. The M mode setup is essentially a control system that allows you to adjust various vehicle settings to your liking. This includes the engine response, steering feel, suspension settings, and transmission shift points, well, amongst others. By modifying these, you can optimize the car's performance according to your driving style or current driving conditions. The M1 and the M2 buttons are located on the steering wheel for easy access. These buttons are not just shortcuts, they are actual keys that allow you to save and instantly recall your preferred setups. Each button can be assigned to a different setup, enabling you to switch between the two personalized driving modes on the fly. This isn't just about the car, It's about the feeling it inspires, the beast it awakens within you. Sports cars often come with the price as breathtaking as the acceleration. But the M2 is a high-performance beast with a price that doesn't require you to sell a kidney. It's like a heavyweight champion in a world of featherweights. It has an unmatched price to performance ratio. But let's talk about that in the comments. Thank you.